Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. This is Central Region in Ghana. This is I want to introduce you to a plant which you may have heard of the name, but probably may not have known how it looks like. Okay. The plant is called sensimini. So in Nigeria, in Yoruba, is called eku. That's obeku. Okay. And I just want to show you or introduce you to the plant fresh life as it is, because in the past, in some few months back, I was passing by and I realized that this is the plant. Okay. And just like 2-3 days later, we realized, when we came back to harvest it, we realized the plant has been cut off. So it means that many people are not aware, or they don't know the value of it. Let me introduce you to the plant. Okay. So this is sensimini plants. Okay, as you could see, that is the seed. This is the seed, the fresh seed. Okay, this plant, it's very medicinal, very medicinal, and it's like jute leaf. Okay, it draws even more than jute leaf. These are the plants. These are the plants. Those that knows the value we cherish the plants. So these are the seeds. Okay, the seeds are getting dried. Like, if I should remove this, you can see the seed in my hand. Okay, these are the seeds. These are the seeds. So it has seeds. So these are the seeds. Okay, so I'm going to get some. We've used it to prepare soup. We are going to use it to prepare soup. The leaf is just like jute leaf, very medicinal. These are some other fresh ones. Like you see, this is the entire plant here himself. So this is sensimini plant. So these are the fresh seeds coming up. It's because it is dry season. That is why they are struggling to survive. So I'm going to put them in a place where they could get real water. Okay. So that is sensimini plants. So that is sensimini plant. Okay, so I will get some plants and we'll use it for some cooking. I will later tell you the nutritional value of it. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, turn up the notification bell to all. Bye bye. Mwah.